How does the neurobiology of the brain contribute to the formation and propagation of stereotypes, prejudices, and discrimination in society?
The formation and propagation of stereotypes, prejudices, and discrimination in society is a complex process that involves multiple social, cultural, and psychological factors. However, the brain's neurobiology plays a significant role in these processes as well. The brain uses shortcuts, known as heuristics, to process information quickly. Stereotypes can be seen as a form of heuristic that the brain uses to categorize and make rapid judgments about people. Here's how this can work at the neurobiological level. Categorization: the brain naturally categorizes information to help manage the vast amount of data it encounters. This is handled by multiple parts of the brain, but prominently involves the prefrontal cortex, which plays a key role in decision-making and social cognition. When we meet new people, our brain quickly tries to categorize them based on recognizable characteristics, like gender, race, or age. Unfortunately, these shortcuts can also lead to stereotyping, in-group versus out-group dynamics. The human brain has a tendency to distinguish between us in-group and them out-group. Neuroimaging studies show that these distinctions occur in areas such as the amygdala, which is involved in emotional processing, and the anterior cingulate cortex, involved in conflict monitoring and decision-making. We tend to empathize more with in-group members and view out-group members with more suspicion, contributing to prejudices and discrimination. Confirmation bias: our brains naturally seek to confirm existing beliefs and ignore contradictory information. The neurobiology behind this involves dopaminergic reward pathways. When we encounter information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs, such as stereotypes, we receive a dopamine reward, reinforcing these beliefs. Conversely, we might feel discomfort, cognitive dissonance, when presented with information that contradicts our established views. Memory and learning: the hippocampus and associated structures play a key role in memory and learning, including the formation and reinforcement of stereotypes. For example, if we're repeatedly exposed to a stereotype, it can become ingrained in our long-term memory and subtly affect our perceptions and behaviors. Fear and anxiety responses: the amygdala is also central to our fear response. If we've learned to associate a particular group of people with danger or negativity through societal stereotypes, for example, we might have an automatic fear response when encountering individuals from that group, leading to discriminatory behavior. That said, while our brain may have these natural tendencies, it's important to note that we're not hardwired to be prejudiced or discriminatory. These biases are largely learned, not innate, and they can be unlearned as well. Neuroplasticity: the brain's ability to change and adapt in response to new experiences and information, allows us to challenge and overcome these biases. Education, exposure to diverse groups of people, and critical thinking can all help in breaking down stereotypes and reducing prejudices and discrimination.